Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a product review and test and review. But before we get started, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and then we're going to jump right into it. Okay, I bought this on Black Friday and then haven't opened it because I've been waiting to make this video to try it out, and it is the Clinique Moisture Surge. Super excited because I have been using the hydrating jelly, and before I bought a big one I wanted to run out of this, but I was at the store and they were doing all this jumbo talk, and they had this spinny wheel thing where if you spend a certain amount of dollars you get to spin the wheel and then you get a free product. So I was like, let me just get some real quick. They didn't have any more of the dramatically different hydrating jelly, but I was talking about how dry my skin was, so she recommended this, and according to the lady in the store, she was saying this is supposed to keep your skin super hydrated for up to 72 hours. So we have to use this once and then come back 3 days in a row, and I'm going to tell you how my skin feels. So we're going to try it today, and it says 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator, so you're able to wash your face and do whatever and it still be super hydrated. And it's for all skin types. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I don't know my skin type, I just know it's dry. Looks like this. I got the little small $19 one. It was like $20 and some change after tax. And they have a bigger size. I think it was like $30. There's an extra wrap on it. We have my child and my boyfriend in the background. It doesn't really have a smell. It smells just like the hydrating jelly. But I'm going to use the product that's on this little wrapper thing before I dispose of it. It's about that much. Let's see what the directions say before I put this on. The same addictively. I don't know how to say that. The same addictively refreshing gel cream you love, now enhanced to deliver almost twice as much hydration at the end of the day than it did before. Works non-stop for 72 hours. Testing proves it. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Even after washing your face. Auto replenishing technology actually helps skin create its own internal water source to continually rehydrate itself. Then locks in all that moisture for an endlessly plump, dewy, healthy looking glow. And it's oil free. I don't know about y'all, but I like looking plump. Let's try, huh? I already washed my face. And then the lady in the store, I told her that before I put on my primer and everything, I put on my dramatically different hydrating jelly. And she was saying some people even use this as a primer, I guess. I mean, I guess you can. Oh, it feels good. It feels a little bit more like smoother. A lot more you have to rub in than the hydrating jelly. But it feels just about the same. It's not as water-like as the hydrating jelly. Oh, it feels nice though. All right. It's really nice. Not really. It feels like kind of a little tacky, a little sticky, but it's not too bad. Well, I like the way it feels, so. Oh, and then on here it says use under or over makeup or as a 5-minute mask. Oh, so you can like leave it on for like a huge amount, I guess, over your face and use it as a mask. I don't think I want to rub it off though because it feels really good. First impressions, I like it. I like the way it feels. It does remind me of the hydrating jelly, just a little bit more rubbing in that I have to do. But My skin feels soft. I like it. Well, this is day 1 of the product review, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning, and we'll see what it do after I get done getting through my day. Alright guys, see you tomorrow morning. Day 2 of the Clinique Moisture. Oh, he's playing online. So I'm gonna make this quick. I washed my face last night and this morning, and my face feels smooth. That's about it. I don't feel like super moisturized. I guess we'll know tomorrow, won't we? I really want to put on some moisturizer on my face, but I'm testing out this 72-hour thing, so we're gonna see. Yeah, doesn't feel like any different to me besides the fact that my skin feels really smooth, but that's about it. So day 2, we'll see tomorrow morning and we'll know the verdict. But until then, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Alright guys, it is day 3 of of the Clinique Moisture Surge, trying it out, test and review I should say, and I am not all that impressed. I will say that. My skin doesn't feel super hydrated. It just feels like the normal softness at this point. I should have filmed it for you yesterday, but before I put on makeup yesterday, you could see the dryness on my skin, which I usually see like right here, and it was just a hot mess, so I had to do like some extra hydration yesterday. But I'm not really all that impressed. Just my first initial impression, but I will keep using this. I mean, because I paid for it, so I will keep giving this a try and see what it do after some time. So try it out for yourself. Maybe it might have a different effect for you for using it one time for every 72 hours, but I might have to switch to using it every day. I don't know, but we shall see in the future. That is it for this review video. I hope you guys enjoyed my opinions. You're welcome to have your own, obviously. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.